Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Today's recipe is spicy Korean cucumber salad. It's so flavorful, a treat for spicy food lovers. Of course, you can't relish it like a salad all by itself, but it is usually served along with the meals on the side, like we enjoy our Indian kachumber because of its spiciness. However, you can even reduce the spice level to your liking, but I love it when it is spicy because it tastes like kimchi. So let's get started and prepare this salad. Ingredients required are cucumbers, 2. I have taken English cucumbers. They are nice and tender. Onions, 1 small sliced. Salt as needed. Minced garlic, ½ tablespoon. Brown sugar, 1 tablespoon. You could also use white sugar instead. Chilli flakes, ½ tablespoon. Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 tablespoon. Roasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. Dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, or you could use 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce instead. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. This is optional. Vegetarians can skip it also. Vinegar, 1 tablespoon. I am using white vinegar. Toasted sesame seed oil, 1½ tablespoons. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now let's begin. This is a cute little chopping board gifted by my American friend. Personalized one. I really liked it a lot. Now discard both ends of the cucumbers. Cut it lengthwise into 2. English cucumbers have small and tender seeds. Cut them into thin slices. You don't even have to peel these. Sometimes you get very tiny ones. These are little bigger today. But still they are nice and tender. Now the cutting is done. Remove them into a plate. Put them into a strainer placed over a larger dish. We are going to sprinkle salt over them. Add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give them a nice mix. We are going to set this aside now, and the water from the cucumbers, because of the addition of salt, will be dripping into the bowl. Set them aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Same way, sprinkle a little bit of salt on the onion slices also. Give them a mix and set them aside. Now time to prepare the sauce. Add the garlic into a bowl, and we'll add all the ingredients one by one. Fish sauce, vinegar, oil, soya sauce, sugar. First we'll whisk these together so that the sugar gets mixed up and melted. Now add the remaining ingredients. Chilli flakes, Kashmiri chili powder. Now the quantity also can be adjusted to your liking. Sesame seeds, I'm saving some for garnishing. Kashmiri chili powder gives color. It's not very spicy. Whisk them all together. I'm adding little bit of oil and vinegar because it's quite thick. Here we go. The sauce is ready. Now let's check the cucumbers. They have changed color, so which means they are marinated very well. You can see a little bit of water also has dripped. You squeeze them lightly so that even the remaining water is all gone from them. Transfer them into a larger and wider dish so that we can mix the sauce easily. Add the sliced onions to it. Now we'll add the prepared sauce. I really love this salad. It's nice and spicy and it's similar to kimchi. The taste is quite similar to kimchi. As I mentioned, you can reduce the chili level also, but this one tastes better when it is quite spicy. Give them a nice mix so that the sauce is well coated on the cucumber slices. Remove the sauce left in the bowl by putting some cucumbers and mixing them. Check the taste. So yummy. Now dish it out into the serving bowl. This one is a treat for spicy food lovers. Of course, it has to be relished along with the meals on the side. You can't just have it as a salad by itself. Garnish with coriander leaves, or you can use some green onions as well. Any greens you have, just for color, and sprinkle some sesame seeds that we saved. And enjoy! Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives in case you have missed them earlier. Take care. Have a nice day.